Hello everyone. So today I'm gonna show you how to make pillowcases with a satin fabric. It's seriously such an easy project, especially great for the beginners. First things first, let's measure the size. While there are standard sizes, it's better to measure your pillow directly because the filling might vary or the shape might differ. Mine measures 58 inches by 38 inches. So with seam allowance added, it's 60 inches by 40 inches, which turns out to be a standard queen size. Or just measure your own pillowcases. Today, we'll make pillowcases in two different styles: tube shape and envelope shape. Let's get started. Envelope shape pillowcase. Cut your fabric 20 inches by 67 inches, including a 7 inches layer for the flap for a queen size. For the edges of the panel by 1/4 inches twice, and so. For the layer part 7 inches and mark it on the side. For the remaining panel in half and tuck it under the layer part. Pin or clip it in place. Sew it up the sides. Almost done. Finish up the seam to prevent it from unraveling. Here's a tip for those without a serger. My sewing machine has an operation panel like this. You can also choose the stitch drawn like this on your own sewing machine. It is called a zigzag stitch and prevents the ends of the seam allowance from unraveling. Both lengths and widths can be adjusted. I will start by setting the length to around 1.6. One more stitch this side is for durability, especially since pillowcases need a frequent washing. Compare the finish of the serger's pillowcase with the regular one, and you will see the difference. Tube shape pillowcase. This time we are using French seam. Prepare a panel of the same size, 20 inches by 67 inches. Fold it in half, wrong size faces together. Sew the sides. Trim the seam allowance to about 1/8 inches. Flip the wrong side out and sew the sides again with the 1/4 inches seam allowance. Making sure it covers the inside seam. ironing beforehand will make the sewing much neater. This way, the inside seams are hidden, and you don't have to worry about fraying edges. Fold the edges of the pillowcase twice by 1/4 inches to finish it up. And voila! I've made several pillowcases in less than an hour. Thank you for watching.